Welcome to 4D plus Primavera P6 from BIM model to construction sequence learning modules. 4D BIM and Primavera P6 integration. In this module, we will connect the physical MEP model with the project schedule. We will start with Revit MEP elements, map them to WBS and Primavera activities, assign plan dates, and then bring the model and schedule together inside the Navis work timeliner. Federated G+50 MEP model. The objective is not simply to visualize the building. Every relevant model element should provide information that can eventually be connected to a continuous. The beam element should not remain isolated from planning information. We need to consistent method of identifying the element, its work package, and the primary activity responsible for its beam and planning. The purpose is to create consistent information structure that can be used during model coordination, scheduling, and BIMs from the BIM model to Primavera P6. Our schedule will represent the construction sequence that we want to visualize in 4D. In this example, we are organizing MEP work by system and then by floor. This structure makes it easier to compare the schedule against the BIM model. Installation package receives a schedule activity. The activity ID is particularly important because it provides a stable reference for linking schedule information to the BIM model. Only useful as the schedule behind it. If the P6 logic is wrong, the visual simulation will also be misleading. Therefore, schedule quality comes before animation. Using the schedule for 4D simulation, we need to control planning reference. Artificial intelligence can help identify anomal- anomalies or suggest improvements, but the approved project baseline remain under planner and management control. We now bring the federated BIM model into this same environment where we will visualize the P6 shading on P6, Navisworks and project integration, configuration. The important principle is that the activity identifier, activity description and plan date must remain consistent. Static model. We are connecting that will be built with when it will be built and progressing through the tower. Instead of reading hundreds of thousands of schedule activities, the project team can see where work should be happening at the specific point in time. Introduced as an analytical assistant, it can review schedule and 4D data, identify unusual sequencing, detect potential delays, summarize risk, and generate recommendation. But the engineer remains responsible for validating the recommendation. Thanks for connecting the Nirgudwar Project Management Consultant, AI, BIM, 4D Project Management Services, Planning, BIM, PMC, Monitoring, and Drawings. Please like, share, subscribe the video for others. Thank you for